Ozioma. Ozioma, what is this? You, what are you doing here? Did I not warn you never to step your feet in my compound? Why are you here?
Did I not warn you to provide my son? Where is my son?
Mokem, get out of my house right now.
I will not leave here without my son!
If you do not leave here right now, I swear to you, I am going to eat you up and feed your skin to vultures. Get out of here right now!
No, where is my son? Where is my son?
Ina Ajuma Ajujo. No, he asked me a question.
I want my son! Stop! No. Stop! Okay. Stop! Stop! I need my son! I will not leave without my son! Leave! Where's my son?
Hey, just go.
Hey, come on! He's my son! Leave! It's okay. It's okay.
Keep moving.
Tony, please, the door is locked. Please.
You do this to me.
I didn't mean to. I'm so sorry.
What is it? Huh? Am I not asking you what is it? And why are you banging the palace gate? What is it now? Am I not talking to you? I said, what is it? Is that same Ozioma? The worst is that she can't say a word.
Do you stop her from entering the house?
No, she was just hitting the palace gate.
Who is that? Who is at the gate?
It's Ozioma.
Go and bring her here. Have I not warned you to stop entering this palace?
Not your palace, but my father's house.
Shut up.
You would not stop me from coming here.
That's not the reason why I don't even come to this palace.
You slapped a revered princess of this kingdom. Your hatred for my mother still continued even after her death. You are a wicked man.
Don't you dare
insult my father! Else
I will cut off your tongue.
Who are you to speak to me in that manner? How dare you! Your mother was a concubine. Where is she? You parade yourself as a princess of this kingdom. You challenge me. But not to worry. Just a little time. A little time is all I give to you and this man standing here. And we will know who the Ada of this palace is.
Sister Ozioma, please, you...
Shut up if you will not refer to me as a princess. That is exactly what you must do. And you slapped me, father. A king does not slap his first daughter. The gods will judge you.
How dare you talk to me like that? Gosh! Take it away from that. Stop!
Nobody touches me in this palace. Not one person. This is my father's house. Father, did you hear what Ozioma just called our late mother? Did you hear that, Father?
Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll handle her myself. I will handle her myself. This again, I want to know to step our foot inside this compound. Inside this palace. Now look at what she has done. No problem. She has just dared me. And she must see the other side of me.
Father, Uzuma is your daughter. And this palace also belongs to her. Even if I'm a child, doesn't change the fact that Uzuma is our sister. And she's suffering. Look at how she looks.
Sarah, sometimes you talk out of words. Someone just called your late mother a concubine, and here you are defending her!
People talk out of anger. Don't judge her for her statement. Or have you forgotten what you said to her?
You are a fool, Sarah! You are a fool! You're supposed to be protecting our late mother's interest, not this!
Princess Uju, I say enough. Now retire back to our chambers.
Father!
Retire back to our chambers. She is your elder one.
What is the problem? Am I not talking to a human being? What is the problem? Why are you crying?
The king slapped me.
The king slapped you. You see yourself? Huh? I have warned you severally that you should not go to that palace. But you won't listen. Huh? Why wouldn't he slap you? This is a man who rejected you and your mother. On top of that, he called the whole community and told them that he has nothing to do with your mother nor yourself. His own blood. And you kept going there, looking for trouble. Why?
I'll go. I won't stop going there. I won't stop. Except he wants to kill me. If at this my age I cannot stand face to face with a man I call my father, then I am a fool. My father abandoned my mother and I since I was a child. Not for once. Not for once has he even asked about me or my welfare. He has never ever taken care of me. If not for you, I would have died. That would end. At this point, he has to know that he has a daughter who is the princess of Azara Kingdom. As for that man, I won't let him sleep. He won't know peace. He won't.
My daughter. It's okay. I can understand. Hmm? I mean, you survived all these years without royalty. Huh? So, don't worry. Clean your tears, huh? Clean your tears. Let's go inside.
I can't stop crying. I can't have a father who is a king. And I am being treated this way. I am being treated this way. Look at me. Again, look at me, Uncle. Uncle, I can't stop crying. Why would I be treated like a commoner? When I have a father like that, why?
You useless boy, what are you doing in my compound? I thought I warned you not to come to this compound again. What are you looking for?
Uncle, I'm looking for Zioma. I have very important thing I want to tell her. Please, if you don't mind, sir, can you help me call her?
Hi. This man, you've got nerves. What impetus? No. I should go and call my niece for you. For what? You are not even afraid. You know I don't like you. You just roam around the community doing nothing. You just look at your beers. Look at them. I'm sure there are lies in them. Yeah, I close my eyes now. By the time I open there, you are out of this place. If not, I will send you to your late parents.
Stop calling my late parents name. What did they do now?
Idiot! Let me see your left leg in this compound again, then you see what I'll do to you. Nonsense. Have no future, you don't know that she's royalty.
Uncle, I thought I heard he came last place. Where is he?
Yeah, I have told you, stay away from that useless boy. He's a useless person, he has nothing doing. For somebody like you should know that you are royalty. So mingle with people that have at least small potential of becoming royalty. Uncle. Not a useless boy, just look at his BS.
Uncle, please. Sometimes when you say this royalty, it gets to me. Take a look at me. No, look at what I am wearing. Do I look like royalty to you? If you go royalty in you defa, this kind of dress, have you seen any of them wearing it? No. This is the only boy that makes me feel like royalty. He is the only person that makes me happy. So please, Uncle, just allow me. I need to see him. I need to talk to him. Uncle,
you're going! Hey! That useless boy is making you feel royalty. For what? Hey, God. Hey!
Just sounding anyhow. Every time this man get pepper body, I person will use pepper bath. Just simple question. She around. If she's not around, you tell me now. She now sounding like every time insulting somebody. Come. I don't have time for this Romeo and Juliet song.
Okay. Well, I see someone is missing me. That's why you've been talking to yourself all the way from that side to this place.
What happened? I thought your uncle said...
Oh yes, my uncle didn't want me to see you, but you know, no one can stop me from seeing you. Well, I had a bad day today, all the way from the palace and back home. But that's by the way. So tell me, where are you going from here? I see someone smiling.
Well, I was coming from your house. I wanted to see you, but the way your uncle was just sounding.
Is that why you're looking like a baby?
I'm always your baby now.
Okay, so let's go together. But first, catch me if you can. You don't want my uncle to come and catch you.
Okay. If he comes here now, I'll just give you that.
Okay.
I told you to leave that man alone. Huh? You have never dressed as a princess. Have you died? No, does sleeping and waking up in the palace, has it changed anything? Eh? What matters is you and me. You and me, my love.
Yes, there is you and me. But that does not stop me from hating that man. I hate that man with so much passion. But the one I will not tolerate is Uju. You see that girl? Hi! If you see the slap I planned for her today, if I had given her that slap, it's siren she'll be hearing. Her palms, she would die. It was just because of the king I left her.
It's not just the king, it's your father, so you address him as your father.
If it was not you now, say you don't have sense. What kind of nonsense talk is that one? Why will I address him as my father? How can I address that wicked man as my father? For what? A man that has not given me a penny or has even done anything in my life, you said I should address him as my father. Someone that chased my mother out of his house just because he had small quarrel, very minor quarrel with his own mother, and they exchanged words. He drove her out with me when I was still 7 and hasn't done anything for me. You're asking me to address him as my father. Biko, I don't want to get angry. It's just because you and my uncle have been taking care of me. That's why I'm still here.
Boy, you have to be taking it easy. You're raising your hand like you want to slap me.
Oh, you know I will not slap you. You know I will not slap you.
I know. But the main thing is you and me. And you're still living, you're still glowing. Princess or without princess, you're still mine and still glowing.
And thank you. You have been, what word do I use now? Awesome. Thank you very much for everything you have done.
You don't have to thank me.
Well, I have to thank you.
You have to thank you.
I said I have to thank you.
You don't have to thank me.
I have to. Why are you slapping me? We can't love please that one.
Good afternoon, Chief. You're calling me Chief. Mba, don't call me Chief. Refer to me as Mr. Enugo?
Yes, sir. The king wants to see you immediately.
King? Which of the kings?
King O'Brien. King O'Brien.
Are you asking me questions? Go and ask your father that question. Who are you to ask me questions?
With due respect, sir. King Ikemba demands your presence and it's urgent.
Ikemba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go and tell him that I will come at my own time.
Yes, sir.
How dare you give me orders? Who are you to give me orders? Who are you to give orders to Pogrokpo, the king of the forest? Now get out from here. Go and tell the king what I've said. I will come at my own time. Get out! Yo. Giving me orders.
Greetings, Your Highness.
What is the man I asked you to come back with?
He said we should leave his compound, that he will come and see you later.
But that wasn't what I said. I said you should make sure you come with him at once.
Your Highness, he resisted and asked us to leave his compound immediately.
Yes, Your Majesty.
I see. You may go.
Yes, sir.
To me.
Come here. The king sent for me. I hope nothing else transpired apart from what you told me.
Nothing else transpired, Uncle.
And by the way, you think you are smart. No, you think you are smart. You left my house to go and meet that useless boy again. I warned you not to see that boy again. But you did it again.
Uncle, please, I would appreciate it if you stop calling him useless. Kenna is not useless. You have to know him more. He's a very good person. He has helped me.
Will you just shut up? Shut up! What is it? Eh? You want people to say that you got spoiled in my house or what? Eh? Now the king is there, waiting to hear sad news so that he can jump up and be happy that I spoiled you. Look, stop seeing that boy. Stop seeing that useless boy. Enugo?
Uncle, please. I don't want you to stop me from seeing him. Ikenna is a nice person. And he hasn't even done anything wrong to me. You just need to calm down and get to know him more. I just need you to understand that he's the only friend I have.
Understand, kill you! My friend, get her from here. Get her, let me think. Yes. Get her from here. You don't see any boy to follow. Is that good for nothing boy that has nothing doing? Look at his beard. He's smelling. I'm sure there are lies in those beards. That's the kind of person you follow, forgetting that you are royalty.
Presence of hope. Yes, what is it?
Ikemba, you sent for me.
Why didn't you come with my class as instructed? You took a whole day off. And now you're just working in your majesty and I ask classroom for you.
I should come with your guards.
That was the instruction.
You should have instructed them to tie me. Drag me like a goat to your palace simply because you are the king of the whole world.
I wonder why all of you are so insulted. Just look at the way you're talking to my father, the king. The same way Ozioma came here and insulted my late mother.
How dare you talk to me rudely in presence of your father? Didn't he tell you why they call me Okpohurokpo, the king of the forest? Mind your language when talking to me. Your father was my in-law. He married my sister, my late sister. You are lucky that Ozioma did not come here with me. She would have taught you a bitter lesson for opening that gutter you call your mouth to talk rubbish about me. Ikemba, I think you need to teach your daughter some manners. She's very rude. Caution her.
From your mouth proceeded a befitting description of your person as the king of the forest. So what are you doing around? Your constituency is the forest. That's what you're supposed to be living in. Now listen to me. She's right. She's good. And she's mature enough to say what she wants. To say her mind. I simply called her to ask you to tell your sister to stop coming here. Huh? She came here and constituted the needs of this entire palace. And if she does that next time, I will kill her.
You will kill her. Ikemba, I need to ask you a question. Are you saying that Ozioma is no longer your child?
Your question is baseless. Hence, I have told you my mind.
I will ask you the question again. Are you saying that Ozioma is no longer from your loin?
Father, we should watch what we say because of tomorrow. Sister Ozioma is our sister. And I don't like the way Sister Oju talk to Uncle. I have said my own.
Zara, I'm so ashamed of you. Were you not here when that idiot walked into this palace and insulted our mother by calling her a concubine? Were you not here, I ask?
When I sent your sister away from this palace, I told your kinsman that she was no longer my wife. And I collected the bride price I paid. Why must her daughter constitute a kind of nuisance a disturbance and inconvenience to me.
Ikemba, I will still ask you the question again. Are you by any means saying that Ozioma Ikemba should remove Ikemba from her names and replace it with her maiden name, my family name? Is that what you're saying?
I refuse to answer another question from you. Leave my presence.
I will leave. But teach your daughter some manners.
Get out of this palace now.
She's very rude.
Get out. Hey!
You all needed to see the way Princess Uju was talking to that old man, and the king supported her. That girl is so full of herself just because her father is the king. The man should have been slapped to bend that amount. Exactly. We thought the death of her mother was going to make her calm down, but she's getting worse. Yesterday, she brought out all her own days that I should wash it for her. And I was wondering why a grown-up woman like her cannot sit and wash common pant and bra.
The truth is that the king loves her so much. But he doesn't know that he's spoiling her the more. I don't know that was your mom. But my father said that the king married her mother. Even when the king's mother said no. But then he insisted and married her. The king gave her sleepless nights. And they exchanged words. The king came back. Now drove the mother and child to the palace.
And the king got married to that Ekwensi's mother. See? From the way I see Ozioma, she's calm. Just that life out of the palace must have dealt with her. But she's surviving.
My dear, Zara is a good girl. She doesn't look for trouble. I like her. Don't complain yet. She's still a little child. She will change her.
I had my name. What were people discussing with my name?
Nothing, my princess. Just a normal palace.
Yes.
Nothing.
Yes. Sister Oji wants to see you.
Excuse me, my princess.
Exactly. Yes, my princess. Follow me.
My friend, come here! I said, come here. Where are you coming from?
I went to a friend's place.
You went to a friend's place? And you're just coming now?
We went out and it was late when we got back, so I decided to pass the night at her house.
You decided to pass the night at her place? You are wicked. Yes, you are wicked. You know very well that our children are not here. You are the only child we have here. And you have the mind to go and sleep outside. Just look at the compound. Everywhere is dirty. If you go inside, you will see that there are so many house chores that are yet to be attended to. And you went out and slept out. Can you see that you are a big liar? Instead of you to confess that you went to sleep with that buffoon, that useless boy, you are here speaking bunkum to an old gargoyle like me. And you think I'll believe you? Look at you. Your father rejected you. Now, instead of you to think, settle down, and see how you can make your life useful, you are frolicking with that useless boy, that Ewu Lokoja. And you are here lying to me. You are wicked.
Uncle, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. I didn't intend to sleep out. Please forgive me. Okay, let me go inside and get broom so that I can sweep everywhere and maybe take care of the chores that are inside the house.
If you try it, If you touch anything in this house today, then I will show you who I am. Don't sweep the house. Don't do any house chores. Don't cook. Don't do anything. Let me know that you don't have a child. Yes, because you know our children are not here. Don't sweep anything. Don't cook. Don't do anything. My wife and I will do everything. Now get out from here. Get out.
Let me just get home.
I said. Get out from here. You know very well that you are the only child we have here. You went out to sleep with that stupid boy. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Guard! Open the gates. You had the guts to open this gutter-infested mouth of yours and insult my uncle. Well, I have come here. I have come here to beat the living daylight out of you, and you will go in there. Tell your father, who threatened to kill me, that I am here in the palace. Let him do his worst.
Ozioma, you have the guts to come into my father's palace and speak to me in such manner. Shut up! Was that a slap? Was that a slap? You slapped me! You slapped me! Bring her back here! Bring her here! Bring her here! What is it? Why are you holding me? What is it? Sorry. How dare you touch me? Sorry. Get out! How dare you? Get out of my business! She slapped me. She actually slapped me.
Now, go into the house. Search her out. Tie her and bundle her into the car. Quick.
Yes, Your Highness.
Bundle who from the house? Meze.
Ikemba, what's your problem?
You are asking as if you don't know what your sister's daughter came to the palace to do this morning. Didn't you hear it?
If I know, why would I be asking?
That's the way you address your flesh and blood. Your first fruit. Your first knowledge to fatherhood. I will not let any of these men come close to me, else I will kill them. You allowed the daughter of that concubine who made you throw my mother and I out of the house, and insulted me and everything from my maternal home. You said nothing. You kept quiet. I won't take it. I would not. In your presence, I would do worse. Because you have made my life miserable. I said this before, and I'm going to say it again. The gods will judge you.
Take her to us.
If anybody comes close to me, I will kill that person. Don't even dare me!
Ikemba, why would you want to kill your own child? Meza, keep off from this one. Keep off! This girl is causing havoc all over the kingdom.
Your Majesty, we couldn't get hold of her.
What? Then she is most wanted from now. You must catch her and bring her to the palace.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Meanwhile, let's go.
around for so many things. Guess what?
What?
The visa, right? The visa I've been looking for a long time is finally out. So I'll be going to Europe any moment from now. My love. What is it? Why are you crying? We've been praying for this for a very long time. And now it's out. Aren't you supposed to be happy for me? Hey, why are you crying? Is it good news, my love? You're meant to be happy. What is it?
Pregnant.
Huh? Pregnant.
I'm finished. I am finished. My uncle will kill me. My uncle will kill me. Where do I start from? Like my father thinks I'm useless. And now he would say I didn't prove him wrong.
No, stop saying that. You're not useless. It's not a taboo to get pregnant. That you're not a useless child. No one is going to kill you. Okay? Stop, baby. It's not a crime. It's just that it's unfortunate this whole thing is happening right now that I'm about to travel. And I can't cancel the trip. I've secured the visa. You know how much we hustled for this. Baby, all we have to do is to stick to the plan. Okay? I borrowed 300,000 naira from a friend, and also part of the land, that land I sold. So you take this 300,000, okay?
It's not about the money.
My love,
it's not the money.
I know, it's just for your safety, okay? I want you to take this money, go to Judith, our friend in the city, stay with her. I don't want anything to happen to you. Your father has already declared you wanted. I don't want you to be in this village, okay? Just go to her house in the city and stay there for now.
I'm scared. Where do I tell my uncle I'm going?
Baby, look at me. I'm with you. I can never forsake you. I just want you to stay there for some time while I go, hustle money, rent you a house, buy you a car for our baby. I just want you to stay there for some time. Okay? It's our baby, it's not a crime. It's not a crime that you're pregnant. Know that. Makes you a woman. I am the father of the child, and I'm telling you, we're in this together. Okay? Take. You're gonna need this money.
I don't want the money.
Baby, you're going to need this money in Judith's place. I'll just have to call her.
How am I supposed to be alone? You are leaving. How am I supposed to be alone with this child? How?
Judith is there with you. And I'm equally there with you. Okay? Take. It's yours. Just hold it. Take.
This is the 5th time that you people are invading my house. What is it? Look, I don't want you people to come here again. Please, don't come here again. If you come here again, you will not be that lucky. Oh. I'm telling you the truth. Eh? Go and tell the king I said so.
Please, sir, we are just doing what we were instructed to do, sir.
You are doing what you were instructed to do. Look, let me tell you. The last time I saw Ozioma was when the king came here to chase her away. That was the last time I saw her. And come to think of it, it's only a tree that we hear that they want to cut it and it will still remain there. Ozioma has gone to where I don't know. Eh? Go and tell the king that he should stop troubling himself.
Sir, seriously, sir. We all are not happy about the war going on between a father and a daughter. It's bad. But the king has sworn to throw her into prison. So my advice for her now is for she to leave town for safety, at least for now.
Exactly. What he said is true. The king was with the commissioner of police yesterday. And I overheard them talking about these same issues too.
Hey, well, you see, I'm happy that you all know that it's just a family issue. Eh? I don't understand. The king hates my niece so much. His own child. Eh? But there's nothing I can do about it. So please go, eh? Go. Don't come back again, no, so that I don't have personal issues with you. Every time coming to me, Father, is still not the one that chased behind me. So why is he coming to me?
Baby, why are you crying? We prayed and fasted for this to happen. And now it finally did. You're meant to be happy. Okay, you want me to go in and take my clothes off or tear my passport?
No. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just scared. How I'm going to be here alone. You're the only friend I have. You're the only brother I do not have. You've always had my back. Do that for me now.
I know, I'm still here. Nothing has changed. I still have your back. All you have to do is to pray for me, for everything to work out fine. And I'll come back before you know it. Okay? And also promise me that you stay away from the palace. Hey, it's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. I miss you. Okay. Alright, let's go. But you have to smile. Hmm? Smile.
I'm not smiling.
Pick it up. Okay. How much is it?
150.
I'll give you 100 per one. I'm buying everything. Is that okay by you?
Okay.
All right. How many are they?
8.
Okay. Get me the money in the car.
Where are you going? Flying princess. Feeling like a woman president. Look at this place. Does it look like your palace? No, it doesn't. So I'm here so that we can settle our scores. The other day you had the guts, the effrontery to challenge me. And your father has declared me wanted. So you see, I have nothing to lose. Because right here and now, I will beat the living daylight out of you and wait for the police to come. Let me see what you will do.
Ozioma.
Huh? Ozioma. Hey, shut up! Shut up! You better call that name with respect before I give you backhand slap. Now, Paula,
you are daring me. I wasn't the one that asked my father to send your mother out of the palace. So why are you keeping your anger on me?
Because you are running your mouth. You are talking nonsense. You see today, I will show you what it is to be called Ozioma. All of you, you and my father, ganged up against me. Now we are here, just the two of us. I will beat you, tear this rubbish you are wearing, and wait for whatever will happen. Don't you dare touch me! Do not touch me! Ozioma, don't touch me! No, Ozioma, don't touch me! Ozioma, open your mouth and talk! Ozioma, you can't talk again! You can't talk again! Ozioma! You can't talk again! Open your mouth and talk now! It's alright. Who is this one? Come on, leave here! My father was here! Oh, you're running away! I said my father! You're running away! Come outside! I don't like what happened between me and that idiot. God saved her. I would have dealt with her. I would have beaten her pink, blue, purple, orange, just name it! Nonsense. That reminds me. You, step forward. You stood before me and called that commoner, that idiot, a princess. Why, if I may ask?
My princess, I'm sorry. It was as a result of how I...
Will you shut up? This should be the first and the last time you will address anyone as a princess in this kingdom except me and Zara. Am I understood? Yes. Am I understood? Yes, my princess. Get out. All of you! Get out!
Hey, you, step forward. I don't want any of you addressing anyone apart from Zara and I as princess. Am I understood?
Yes, my princess.
That's better.
Yes, my princess. Yes, my princess.
As it stands now, there is no more food in this house. We don't even have any money to stock up again. The big always tell me, how do we survive this? How? The result is that Ikenna didn't try at all. He did not try. How could he have gotten himself into such a mess, knowing full well that you are carrying this baby in Nigeria? Okay, he's now arrested and sentenced to death already. Oh, see, this is too much of us. This is too much. This is not fair. Fast life, see. It's not good. It's not good. Look at where it has landed into.
Judith, I am tired. I swear to you, I am so tired. How could this happen to him? Ikenna suffered too much to be going through this. he sold all their landed properties just so he could leave the village and get a better life. But this is what he got. And people say life is fair. Life is cruel. Look at me. Julie, look at me. Where do I go? Who do I run to? My uncle? What do I tell him? Where do I start from? This is so unfair. At least God should have just had mercy on him. Just a little mercy. If not for anything, at least for this child I am carrying. How am I supposed to survive? This is so unfair. This is so unfair. So unfair.
Listen, you won't believe this. Don't laugh now. But the truth is, I dreamt of you last night. Yeah. Saw you in my dreams. It was beautiful. And I'm hoping we can make it a reality.
What?
What I am saying, in essence, is that I really like you, and I like to think that you like me too. And just give me a chance to love you. Like you deserve to be loved. What?
You're joking, right? That must be some kind of joke.
I'm serious. I'm serious. I like you. I'm very serious.
You know that is not even possible.
Why not?
Look at me. I am pregnant.
And pregnancy is a beautiful thing. It's a blessing from God. Listen, I want us to be lovers, okay? I want to take care of you. I want to be with you through this entire process.
Listen, I am 5 months gone already. You can't possibly have anything to do with me.
Why?
Because this is someone else's child.
Where is he? Where is your engagement ring? Where is he right now? He got you in this condition and disappeared. Unfortunately, though, he's dead. But sweetheart, you have your whole life ahead of you. And I want to be part of that life. Please, baby, let me love you. I'd like for you to be my wife. Yes, Rosie. We can do this.